This year I have a fun plan for Halloween. Old Town Fort Collins is always interesting because there's always beautiful college girls down there. And I figured they might just like a skull rose to appreciate their outfit, be it the naughty nurse or the scantily whatever. Great minds think alike. So why not? I've been 3D printing all these rose skulls, and I think I'm on to something, man. We shall see. Maybe I can get a reaction video. Ay, ay, ay. Sierra, what do you think? I'm going to send you one down in Australia. Been having fun chatting back and forth for sure.